Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LADYF token. That is the ticker symbol. The name of the token is MILADY WIF hat. Now, a long time ago, a few months back, Elon Musk tweeted something about MILADY, and instantly, of course, somebody made a MILADY token. And that token did very well. It was very popular. And then after that, somebody came out with a dog WIF hat token, and that was very popular. And so now we have MILADY WIF hat, which is the combination of two very popular meme tokens. Their official webpage is milady.gg. And we're going to go over the information on the MILADY WIF hat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it looks like it's brought to you by the same people that made the original MILADY token. And if you go to their webpage, milady.gg, that's the original page. And that token got listed on, every exchange possible here. BitGet, Huobi Global, Gate, Bybit, OKX, MEXC Global, KuCoin. It's got an Arbitrum version. It's got an ERC20 version. They're on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, all over the place. So yeah, if you go to that webpage, you'll see the original page there from the MILADY people. And so if those people have been doxxed, which I haven't seen them doxxed before, but if you know of them being doxxed, it looks like it's the same people. So it's like, you already know who the team is if you do know the team anyway, so that's good. Now on their page though, in the top right hand corner of their webpage, milady.gg, it says MILADY WIF hat. You click on that, that'll take you to a different webpage. LADYF.xyz. So this is the official page for this specific token. Now we're going to look to see if there's any audits on here. We're going to see if there's any warnings, stuff like that. So it says this is not traded on any leading U.S. central exchanges. So just be aware of that. So a lot of these exchanges for the LADY WIF hat token are not for people in the U.S. for some reason. U.S. kind of misses out on a lot of these exchanges and things like that. I mean, everywhere does. Everywhere is limited to only certain exchanges. I don't know. Maybe there's some countries that could use all of them. Lucky them, they could use all these exchanges. But for some reason, certain countries only accept certain exchanges. Even certain states or provinces or whatever may accept other exchanges. So this one, it says not available in the U.S. Now, it does have it on RAYDIUM. It does have it on DEXs. But it doesn't look like it's on central exchanges. So you could get this token off of RAYDIUM. It is being listed on Gate, I just saw. So I don't see a full audit on this token. So right off the bat, we're going to talk about security of this token. It is up 59.67% today, according to CoinMarketCap. You can find it listed on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap will have their audit listed on there too if they have one, unless it's brand new. But I don't see that yet either. So it just has webpage, Twitter, Telegram, MILADY meme coin on Telegram, and MILADY meme coin on Twitter. So it says there is a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. That is a max total supply. Fully diluted market cap, $71.51 million. 24-hour trading volume is $6.5 million. So the best you could do for security on this token, if we're going to talk about is this token safe or not, is look at their quick audit and look to see if their liquidity is locked. Now, I don't see a lock button on DEX Screener or on DEX Tools, so keep that in mind right off the bat. It says, this token's on RAYDIUM, but I don't see a liquidity lock button. It doesn't mean that it's not locked. It just means I don't see one. So that could be sketchy. Just be aware of that. If liquidity is not locked, that could be a problem. But again, if you feel like you trust, which I don't know if you should ever fully trust anybody in the crypto world, but if you feel like you trust the original MILADY team, then that gives you a little more added credit for this token here to get involved with this one. So liquidity on RAYDIUM, $1.89 million. They have over 5,000 holders. They have 5.12 thousand pooled SOL in RAYDIUM. They have a DEX score of 82 out of 99. I'm going to put their quick audit up here. It says they got 100% community trust score. It says no honeypot. Contract is verified. No mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable. And it says no other risks. So their quick audit is good, but I wish they had a full audit. But what can you do? They don't have a full audit right now. Now, 6 decimal places on this token here. So in the legendary meme realms of Solana, where the echoes of Achi still reverberate, the ascent of the WIF hat heralds a new era for ladies, embracing the essence of memes. The arrival of MILADY WIF hat was simply destined. Embrace the hat, for MILADY now adorns this splendid charm. So LADYF transcends the realm of meme coins, a powerhouse serving as a cultural influence and charm. With the introduction of WIF hat, she becomes the epitome of drip, the currency of karma, the accumulation of cuteness with a hat. So as you can see, this is very much just a meme token. Looks like they're doing an airdrop, claim airdrop, 100% free MILADY WIF hat. And it says there's a countdown here. Still got about 2 days left on this countdown. So you can check that out on their page if you like. It says 25% of the tokens went to pre-sale, 25% DEXs, 25% stakers, 25% reserved for purchases of meme phones. Okay. Yeah, so they have a RAYDIUM DEX right on their page there. But they don't like people in the US here. And then a big disclaimer, of course. It says here, has no association of dog with hat, no intrinsic value, no expectation of financial return, entertainment purposes only. Always read the disclaimers. But yeah, no full audit. I don't see a KYC, stuff like that on their webpage. But their quick audit is good, so it's hard to say, if this token is going to be, absolutely perfect security or not, because, you can't verify it without a full audit. So keep that in mind. Now, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about MILADY WIF hat? Do you guys think the LADYF token is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.